Don't do like I do with my motto. My motto is measure twice, cut 3 times. Hi guys, Ronnie here, out in the shop and in the middle of a build for a customer, and just wondering why they call this a 2x4 when it's really 1.5 by 3.5. I don't know. I'm thinking it's probably because it's cooler to say 2x4 than it is, hey, I'm gonna go buy a 1.5 by 3.5. Okay, I probably lost half of you already by the 2x4 comment, but hey, for the rest of you, I want to teach you something that, a new wrinkle in it that I had to figure out the other day. So, customer wanted 16 by 24 by 24 high end tables. Now that measurement is based on the top, right? So you got to figure out how much overhang you're going to have on each side and the ends. I like to go about 1 inch. Well, I try to get right at 1 inch overhang all the way around. So that means for this body it needs to be 14 inches, right? Because I got 1 inch on each side hanging out. So you take the 2x4 ends, which are 1.5 inches, that makes up 3 inches, and then you know you need this to be 11, the apron to be 11 inches to get that 14th width, right? Easy math. All right. Now for the side aprons, is it in the shot? Yeah, they're in the shot. So the side aprons, you got 3.5, 3.5. I need 22 because I'm 24 total. 15, right? Well, I tried something new the other day, yesterday the day before. So I trimmed the edges of the 2x4s to make them nice and straight. And I didn't take that into account when I was doing my measurements. I'm so used to doing the same measurements. So these 2x4s, which are really 1.5 by 3.5, is now 1.5 by 3.25. Alright, now if you're still with me, you guys are in my tribe. Alright, so 3.25 and 3.25, I need 22. I did the math, I'm not going to bore you with it, but that's what you got to keep in mind when you're building. The height, they want 24, I use 2x4, so that's 1.5, so 22.5 inch legs, that'd be that. If you use 1x material, that's 3/4 of an inch. You just subtract whatever height, 3/4 inch, whatever height you're going to make it. And that will cover you for that. Basic stuff, I'm sure I lost a lot of you, but I had to think about it. And I've been building now for 8 months. Hey, you can check out my very first piece of furniture I sold. I'll link that here. 8 months ago. And now I'm 60 plus pieces in that I've built and sold. I want to encourage you to stick with it or get started if you haven't even started. Watch a lot of YouTube videos, keep up with my channel, watch other channels, that's what I did. Learn a lot, but take action. You got to take action. That's my number one. I'm going to harp on that probably most of my videos. Take action or else nothing gets done. Hey, if you're still with me, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.